enablement. This very hall, steeped in the history of Indian enterprise, feels charged with excitement as we honor a team and a vision that have reimagined how businesses transact, reward, and grow. Under the leadership of Mr. Amrish Rao and with the unwavering belief of our investors, partners, and customers, and guidance of our board, Pine Labs has become a true symbol of how technology and trust can transform everyday commerce. It's my privilege and honor to welcome each one of you to witness this proud moment, a celebration not just for Pine Labs, but for everyone who has been a part of this extraordinary journey. I'm Priyanka Lalwani, and I'm going to be your host. And I extend a very warm welcome to all our dignitaries, guests, and members of media joining us here, and to the entire Pine Labs family that is joining us online. So once again, a very, very warm welcome to each and every one of you. And before we begin, I would request you all to rise for National Anthem.
शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you so much. Well, at the heart of every great innovation lies a simple idea. And for Pine Labs, this idea has been to simplify commerce for businesses and consumers alike. A technology company born in India, Pine Labs is driving the future of digital payments and issuing solutions for merchants, consumer brands, enterprises, and financial institutions. From empowering millions of merchants with smarter payment experiences to enabling brands with seamless loyalty, prepaid, and fintech innovations, Pine Lab continues to bridge technology and trust with every transaction. Our advanced technology infrastructure fuels the digitization journey of consumers across India, Malaysia, the UAE, Singapore, Australia, the US, and Africa, making payments simpler, faster, and more secure around the world. Well, as we open this new chapter with our public listing, Pine Labs stands as a proud symbol of Indian innovation with global impact, simplifying payments around the world. And now, here's a glimpse of what we stand for, who we are, and the purpose that drives us. Let's take a look at the AV, please.
Money is evolving at light speed. Where it sits, how it looks, how it moves, how it's used, and we are leading it. Today, money lives anywhere. Bank accounts, wallets, cards, credit lines. It moves on every rail. Prepaid, postpaid, BNPL, QR, local, or global. In every currency, rupees, dollars, CBDCs, stablecoins. And paying can be a tap, fully agentic, or straight up invisible. This isn't one world or the other. It's all of it, all at once. FinTech is rewriting itself faster than any industry. And we know that because we're the OGs. We build the rails, intelligence, and experiences that power the heart of modern money and keep it moving with precision. That's Pine Labs. We never just follow trends, we engineer them for the globe.
Well, that was a powerful reflection of what Pine Labs stands for. That's innovation, trust, and a relentless drive to simplify payments around the world. And now, to mark the formal beginning of this historic morning, we turn to a timeless tradition that symbolizes wisdom, prosperity, and new beginnings, the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. For this, may I invite our distinguished dignitaries to please step forward towards the Samay for this auspicious moment, requesting Mr. Viral Davda, Chief Information Officer, BSC, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME, BSC, Mr. Amrish Rao, CEO, Pine Labs, Shweta Rao, CEO, White Venture Capital, Shailendra Singh, Managing Director, Peak 15 Partners, Samir Kamath, Group Chief Financial Officer, Pine Labs, Samir Maheshwari, Chief Capital Market Officer, Pine Labs, and Ritesh Khaitan, Head of Corporate Finance and Investor Relations, Pine Labs. Please join us for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. Thank you so much. Well, the excitement is real and the energy is definitely, too high here, and I wouldn't want it any other way. Now, to start this, I would like to invite one of our key partners in the Pine Labs IPO journey, representing the book running lead managers. May I welcome Mr. Kamal Yadav, Managing Director and Co-Head India Investment Banking at Morgan Stanley, to share a few words on this momentous occasion. Let's welcome him with an applause, everyone.
Good morning, Team Pine Labs. There should be more cheer. This is probably the only time you will list the company, literally in your lifetime. So enjoy the moment, enjoy the day, and as we are chatting from tomorrow, please get back to work. You have made a lot of promises. You need to deliver a lot of returns to the IPO investors. Jan 21, 2015. That is the day I remember Samarth and I met Lokveer in Noida after introduction Shailendra had done for us 2 days back. I still recollect. The date is through our systems, we record everything. So that is an easy data point to find. But I still distinctly remember walking out of the meeting and telling Samarth, this is such a great company, a great founder, and a great vision. This company will go a long distance. And no surprise, you are here today. Obviously, a lot has changed over the last 10 odd years. The scale of the business transformed dramatically. Your value proposition has changed dramatically. Your product suite has increased dramatically. But there are a few things which have not changed. One, your focus on the highest standards of governance. Two, your culture and values. And we think that those are the most important elements of building a long-term institution. So those bedrocks are what Pine Labs stand for. So kudos to all of you. I'll say, यूं ही चलता चल रही. Finally, on behalf of the company, the book running lead managers, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all regulators, SEBI, BSE, our host in this lovely hall, NSE, for all the support throughout. We wish you all the best. As book running lead managers, we'll be cheering for you, with you in the arena, and I'm sure you will do all of us proud and yourself proud. Thank you, and congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir, and thank you for being an integral part of this journey. And now, it's my pleasure to invite someone who believed in Pine Labs right from the very beginning, our first backer and a true strategic partner throughout this journey. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Shailendra Singh, Managing Director at Peak 15 Partners, to share his thoughts.
Hi, everyone. It's an insane honor to be here today. Thank you so much. Crazy privilege. You know, we invested in Pine Labs in March 2009. That was the month during the global financial crisis when public markets were at their worst. And when I explained to people that at that time Square and Stripe in the US were not yet born, my team is even more amazed, saying, like, you know, how did we do it then? But I want to share that, you know, getting to know Lokveer early in the journey, you know, most people think that investors and venture capitalists have some kind of expertise and they will help a company grow and improve. But the truth is, you know, we learn everything from the founders we work with and from the management teams we work with. And the learning for me personally on this journey of partnering with the whole team, learning from Lokveer in the early years, so many leadership team members who've been very long-standing, you know, contributors to the Pine Labs journey. I see Sanjeev here. I know I saw Kush earlier, and obviously Amrish in the last 6 odd years. You know, it's really shaped our worldview as well. And a few distinctive learnings that we took away is that if you built very customer obsessed, and if you built better products than other people, Pine Labs never wanted to compete on price. It always wanted to compete on a superior proposition. And we knew this company would keep compounding because there were such strong moats in the business. And it shaped our worldview of how to think about companies and be patient and let, you know, ecosystems mature and so on. So over these last 16 plus years, me and the team at Peak 15 have so much to be thankful for Pine Labs having shaped our worldview to a degree. Look, today I couldn't just thank all of you enough. I think there have been so many incredible partners, but I also want to say I know that there are actually not just the leadership team members we deal with, there are board members, there are co-investors, but more importantly, there are thousands of people who have probably made sacrifices that none of us is aware of. When you have stayed up nights and weekends to maybe serve a customer better or to ship a product quickly, and I think for every success, there are so many unsung heroes. So look, on behalf of all the shareholder base, the board of directors, just, you know, heartfelt gratitude for an incredible journey. And we have always believed that Pine Labs is quite special because of its strong moats, its customer centricity, and it'll keep compounding for a long time. So immense gratitude for allowing us to be a part of the journey. And you know, we couldn't be more thrilled with how the company is evolving. And it's one we will keep watching with great amount of fondness. You know, all of your success makes us really happy. So everybody in this room who has contributed over the years, just immense amounts of gratitude. Thank you all. With this, let me hand over to the man of the hour, our fearless leader, Amrish Rao. Amrish, please come on stage.
Guys, it's a special day. It's a special feeling to be here. And I have to tell you that I'm not prepared for it. It just feels completely weird because the last 2 months was really living in the moment, and now the day has arrived. You know that there's so many Pine Labs folks out here, and it's very easy for me to believe that this is like a town hall. But today, I'm going to speak to all of you as responsible shareholders of Pine Labs. But before I do that, I do want to wave out to my 2 children, Rutvik and Shaivi, who are watching this in the US. So, hi boys. Look, what I have done out here is, as I'm addressing shareholders in general, I have kept it a little bit formal. Look, tomorrow will always be better than today. When I started my career, someone introduced me to the term sunrise industry. I asked what that meant. I was told a sunrise industry is one that has long-term growth potential. Fintech is one industry where tomorrow will always be better than today. The movement from physical cash to digital currency is a long-term structural phenomenon, and that trend will continue at least for the next 20 years. One thing that we will never have to worry about is growth. Growth is guaranteed. Very few companies in the world get such opportunity. At Pine Labs, we've grasped this moment. We've built market leadership in this sunrise industry. While emerging markets are our playfield, we have made inroads into many tech-savvy markets around the world. Fintech is also in transition. Traditional banks and universal banking models have ruled for many years. Engaging consumers through deposit products and then cross-selling them lending products has long been the formula used by banks. However, as consumer aspirations grow, attention spans reduces, these consumers are asking more from financial institutions. They want transactions to happen instantly. They want to remain engaged. They will vote with their money by moving and receiving money from those institutions that truly understand them. Consumers want more power in their hand. There's a real possibility that banks will become warehouses of money, while the transportation and delivery roles will be passed on to fintechs. We are also seeing merchants formalize. The Kirana store owner that we all remember, that nostalgia, that Kirana store owner has actually retired. And the next generation now wants to formalize those stores and the business operations. They know that their technology is the only weapon for them to compete against online and marketplace retailers. Both the community of banks and merchants are also looking at efficiency-based solutions to keep their costs down and remain competitive. Even the most sacred pillar of fiat currency is getting challenged. Stablecoins, digital currencies, crypto assets are redefining how money operates, offering 3 powerful characteristics: speed, programmability, and transparency. One of the biggest impediments to trade has always been trust. Digital assets can bring trust back into the systems, potentially rewiring what we know of payments today. Each of these trends will open up many new business avenues and models for us to explore. Business and trade will change, and these companies will seize the opportunity, and they will lead the new order. In Pine Labs, we believe we have built the platform for the future. The history of Pine Labs is long, but one thing that has remained constant is that we have ears on the ground and eyes on the future. We invested in transaction sanctity earlier. We made payment orchestration interesting even before the term was coined. We knew merchants needed payment choices, built scalable, rugged platform for both online and offline. We believe that real-time payments and government-supported DPI will get consumer adoption, and we built API-first microservices platform to operate in unique use cases, and that too at significant scale. It was always clear to us that winning in acquiring isn't enough. And we need to complete the loop by having a strong issuing proposition. Interestingly, we look at stablecoins as nothing more than stored value on a ledger. The fintech opportunity is vast and deep. Having a clear vision and investing in the platforms of the future is essential, and we will not shy away from it. Every investment we make will keep banks and merchants at the core, but the ultimate user of every one of our technology will be the consumer. Every Pine Labs transaction today is connected to a consumer. Some of the emerging trends that we are following closely are intersection of data and payments, impact of agentic commerce on payments, and third, role of stablecoins in the payments ecosystem. Our core architecture is highly portable, enabling us to explore new markets. India is one of the world's most advanced fintech markets, and the use cases we've developed here are relevant across emerging markets. We are now present in 20 countries and aim to further increase our global revenue share. But how will we play the game? We see everything as a game in the company. And it's important that we play by clear principles. One, financials matter. Our core business will keep expanding, our moats will be strengthened, and margins will grow. The profits from our core will fuel new ideas, and any given time, there'll be 3 or 4 moonshots. I will have 2 out of those 3 or 4 moonshots. Once an idea achieves product market fit, we will send resources to back it and then turn it into a revenue stream. 2, we seek trust, we return trust. Long-term shareholder relationships are built on trust and clarity of vision. We operate transparently, invite logical debate, and foster a high-trust environment because trust allows speed. Next, the founder's mindset. We take pride and responsibility in everything that we do. We own our decisions, drive them to conclusions, and don't wait others to lead. We lead. Next, we will never stop being a startup. Exploration and experimentation are encouraged and they are not judged. Fear of failure has killed many companies, and now that we are a listed company, will not be heard in our halls. Guys, underlined, okay? Nobody talks about now that we are a listed company. Nobody cares. We remain unfinished, impatient, and unsatisfied. Good to great. We've had a few good years. The top 5 bank, the top 5 retailers, the top 3 e-commerce companies, the top 3 petroleum companies, the top 3 Q-commerce companies, all of them are our clients today. In the first quarter of this year, we processed nearly $50 billion of payment volumes. Let that sink in. $50 billion of payment volumes in one quarter. And our payment stability across all the group businesses has been nearly 100%. While resource usage has been well below 40%, we have more grunt available in the metal in the data center, and we could well see 2 more Diwalis with this current infrastructure. All this good progress has been achieved due to our employees. We've had a great bunch across our group businesses. Some businesses win with their hustle, others win with their high IQ or EQ. The Quicksilver team still enjoys a heartwarming company day that encourages families to come together to celebrate. As we aim for greatness, talent density will play a vital role. AI will challenge all of us, and soon we will need to think of AI as a part of our workforce. Integrating into our operating model will be one of the most exciting challenges in front of us. Execute. Over the last 5 years, we doubled down on our product stack and we've gone deeper into the client base. We will find new adjacencies in consumption and affordability. Our payments infrastructure will open doors to new businesses. We will layer workflows, use cases that drive higher revenues for our customers. Compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. Over the last decade, Pine Labs has compounded revenues at 20 to 30%. We will continue this momentum and capture every incremental cent of gross profit to the EBITDA line. I want to end my formal part of the talk with a reminder. We got much to do. Today is not a finish line, it's just another game day. be incomplete if I don't thank so many of you for all that you've done. I do want to clarify, I'm not thanking on behalf of Pine Labs, I'm thanking on behalf of me at this point of time. And hence I need to start with Shailendra. Shailendra, thank you very much for what you have done, for the belief and the faith that you've had in the company, the belief and the faith that you've had in me. I truly appreciate it. I have to turn around and say, Peak 15 has been a great friend of the company, the great friend of me. Thank you very much. Lokveer, thank you very much to you. You've been an amazing star of this company. You created a phenomenal legacy. But again, I keep saying this, the greatest thing that you did for me was you never called me up. But Lokveer, thank you very much for your faith and belief that we're going to get this right. So really appreciate that, appreciate it a lot. I want to thank our board members, both the new board members, independent board members. Maninder is here, Smita is here, Amrita is not around. But I want to thank you, especially over the last few days, because you've been so sporty, ready to get on to calls, support us. I guess once you got comfort, you were ready to believe us, back us. So thank you very much for doing that. Our board members over many, many years who have been phenomenal, and there are some absolute stars, and I'm so happy to have you here, Kunal. I couldn't thank you more. I know you've got a busy day. You do an important job. The fact that you're here and supporting me, I really appreciate, won't be forgotten. Thank you very much, Kunal. As many of you know, Kunal used to be the board member with Pine Labs. I obviously want to thank all of you. One thing I was reflecting a few days back was over the last 5 years, I have to say I haven't lost many friends in the company, although I can say I've thrown a few tantrums here and there. But your patience, your hard work, your confidence in what you're building, that's the one which has allowed us to win. And this is not just across a Pine Labs or a Setu or a Mosambhi or a Quicksilver or a QFix. These are all companies which have all come together. But this is really everybody and the families, because everybody has put in all their efforts to make this company as great as it is. So thank you very much to all of you. I am getting to my end. Most importantly, I want to thank all those who put this together. I want to thank the bankers. I want to thank the lawyers. I want to also thank the tax folks. Guys, you all worked a lot to get us here. You all kept the patience with us while we worked through the road shows and even before the road shows. And then comes the deal team. There are so many of them wearing this special green badge out here. You guys are just special. What you all have done, there you have Indresh, Manish, but it's a big group which is holding that. Which is holding that green badge. So everybody that you see with the green badge, give them a hug. Thank you very much for all that they have done. But the special mention for me is to the 3 guys who were with me in the car for the last 2 months. We've been on the road shows for the last 2 months. On day 1, where I said, guys, it'll be an achievement that at the end of the road shows, we are all still friends. I have to say, we are still friends out here. Samir, loved your energy. I'm talking Samir Kamath. Loved your energy. You were phenomenal on the road. Ritesh, you're a star. You knew exactly the pulse of what was happening. You had a great understanding of the ecosystem and how it was being put together. And I can't end without thanking my boss, Samir Maheshwari. Samir Maheshwari, thank you for being the boss. I hope you'll give us a good performance appraisal at the end of the year. Rockstar. Piyush, I missed you. Piyush, thank you very much for everything that you've done, Piyush. And as I said, it's going to be from me. I have to thank the most special person. I want to thank my wife. I have to thank my wife. my girlfriend for 31 years, my wife for a little shorter. You make me a better person. Thank you very much, Vita.
Well, thank you. Thank you, sir, so much. He is a true visionary, and sir, your vision has actually, and your determination has got us here to this landmark moment. Let's give it up, everyone, once again for Mr. Amrish Rao. Thank you. May I now invite Mr. Viral Davda, Chief Information Officer, BSE, representing the Bombay Stock Exchange, to share a few words with us this morning. Let's welcome him, everyone, with an applause.
Good morning, everyone. So before I start, Amrish, your speech was absolutely stunning and inspiring. And I'm sure your board and the shareholders are pretty confident that you'll stretch it forward. Absolutely amazing, Amrish, and congratulations to the entire Pine Labs team. Right, morning and a very warm welcome to all of you present here at BSE's iconic International Convention Center for the listing ceremony of Pine Labs Limited, a company that not only demonstrated remarkable growth, but also embodies the spirit of innovation, resilience, and transformation in fintech. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Shri Amrish Rao, Chairman, Managing Director, and Chief Executive Officer at Pine Labs, Shri Kamal Yadav, MD and Co-Head Investment Banking at Morgan Stanley, and Shri Samir Kamath, Chief Financial Officer, Pine Labs Limited. We congratulate Pine Labs on account of successful public offering of rupees 3,899.90 crores, and the issue was subscribed 2.48 times. Founded in 1998 in Noida, the company started by founders originally focused on smart card-based payments and labs providing smart card-based payments and loyalty solutions for petroleum retail automation. They created a system called as Petroleum Information and Network, which is essentially acronym of PINE. I just got to know today with the speech, so amazing. And the innovation technology led to creation of labs as the company's name, which evolved technology from fuel sector payment solutions to revolutionizing the merchant payment and fintech platform in mid-2000s. Pine Lab offerings enable multiple workflows for merchants, including digital payments, smooth integration with billing, rewards and loyalty programs, affordability for the end consumer, credit processing, and value-added services such as dynamic currency conversion, digitization of stores through business software applications. Fintech has been a game changer in bringing financial services to unbanked and underbanked population and aligning with government initiatives such as Digital India and Make in India. Companies like Pine Labs are contributing immensely in achieving the goal of Vikasit Bharat. Success of Pine Labs IPO will reflect growing investors' confidence in India's technology-driven financial services industry, and the listing will help company to grow in international markets as well as in growth of future fintech projects. A few facts about BSE. The Bombay Stock Exchange is Asia's oldest and the world's largest stock exchange by number of listed companies, with over 5,546 entities already listed with cumulative market capitalization exceeding US $5.36 trillion. With over the legacy of 150 years, it continues to be a catalyst for economic empowerment and capital formation in India. Through its SME and main board platform, BSE has enabled companies like Pine Labs to access public capital, enhance visibility, and build investors' trust. By offering a transparent, efficient, and technology-driven ecosystem, BSE is not just a marketplace, it's a growth partner for ambitious Indian enterprises. Its commitment to nurturing innovation and entrepreneurship is helping transform India's business landscape. Our benchmark index, the Sensex, is a global indicator of India's economic growth. At Pine Lab, as Pine Lab rings the gong today, it symbolizes more than just a listing. It is a representation of commitment to growth, success, and value creation. I close by saying that on behalf of BSE, I extend heartfelt congratulations to the entire Pine Labs team, and we wish continued success and growth to Pine Labs in coming years, and we'd be happy to partner with the company in all future capital raising exercises. Thank you so much, guys. I'll hand it over back to the MC.
So requesting you to stay back, and I would like to invite on stage Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSE, to please join us on stage. And now, we mark this moment of partnership with a memento exchange between BSE and Pine Labs. May I request Mr. Amrish Rao to join us back on stage to accept this memento from BSE, a token of this landmark moment in the company's journey. Thank you. And now requesting Mr. Rao to please stay back and return this gesture by presenting a memento to the BSE representatives here, Mr. Davda and Ms. Radha. Thank you, Mr. Amrish, and requesting you both to please stay back. Now, Mr. Viral and Ms. Radha will present mementos to the BRLMs to the issue. May I please request on stage to join, I'll be starting with few names, a representative from Axis Capital. I'm going to call out some of the names, and a representative can please start joining us. A representative from Morgan Stanley. Then after this, we'll have a representative from City India. Then post City India, can we have a representative from JP Morgan? That's Citibank. That's City India for you. Can we have a representative from JP Morgan after this, and then from Jefferies? That's JP Morgan. And after this, can we have a representative from Jefferies as well? Thank you. That's Team Jefferies. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining us. Let's give them an applause, everyone. Thank you. And now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Amrish Shah once again, as we will now officially honor a few special individuals who have contributed significantly to our journey. And may I start with Mr. Lokveer Kapoor, the one who began the Pine Labs story 2 decades ago. Thank you so much. Then can we have Mr. Shailendra Singh from Peak 15 Partners. Then next, can we have Mr. Piyush Gupta, founder of Kenro Capital. Thank you. Can we have Mr. Lokveer Kapoor back on stage, please?
Lokveer, we created something for you.
And the next, last but not least, Mr. S.N. Kumar, founder of Quicksilver Business. Thank you. Sir, Amrish sir, requesting you to stay back now because we are there. The moment is here. Requesting our dignitaries to please join. Our dignitaries to please join Miss Radha Kirti Basan, Mr. Viral Davda, Mr. Amrish Rao is already here, then Miss Shweta Rao, Shailendra Singh, Samir Kamath, Samir Maheshwari, and Ritesh Khaitan. Please join us on stage as we are very closer to our moment that everyone has been waiting for. And you all have to keep one thing in mind. Please be seated. We'll do a last 30-second countdowns because we are recording everything. You will get it everything together. Make sure. Let's do a 10-second countdown. Everybody excited? Let's make some noise. Well, the most anticipated moment of this morning is here. The last 20 seconds to go. We do have to do a countdown of the last 10 seconds together because this marks the historic moment of Pine Labs today. Are we ready? Yes? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gentlemen and everyone present here, Pine Labs Limited is now officially listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Well, this is more than a milestone. It's the sound of Indian fintech innovation resonating across global markets. Officially listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, Pine Labs Limited, everyone. Let's give a round of applause. Yes, now time to capture the historic moment. To also join them on stage after this photograph is taken, I will request Mr. Amrish's leadership team to please step forward and join them on stage. Requesting all of you to please stay back and requesting the leadership team of Mr. Amrish to please join back on stage. Requesting everyone to please align for the photograph. We have Mr. Viral and Ms. Radha as well joining. Well, once again, congratulations, Pine Labs Limited, for being officially listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. This is more than a milestone. It's the sound of Indian fintech innovation resonating across global markets. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining us here on stage. Requesting you all to please take your seats. Thank you. And requesting Mr. Amrish to please stay back. We can do the photo ops later. Requesting everyone to step down as we move ahead with the event. Well, requesting Mr. Amrish to please join us back on stage. Now, as we move towards a moment of gratitude, as Mr. Amrish Rao felicitates the advisors and partners who played a pivotal role in the success of the Pine Labs IPO. All right. Sir, Amrish sir, requesting you to please join us on stage. I know the excitement is real, and I know you're very excited for this historic moment that you have been the visionary towards. Starting with, I would like to call our representatives from Axis Capital. Well, this is a moment of gratitude as Mr. Amrish felicitates the advisors and partners who've played a pivotal role in the success of the Pine Labs IPO. Then next, can we have representatives from Morgan Stanley? Next, can we have representative from Citi India? Post that, can we have representatives from JP Morgan and Jefferies? Thank you. And can we have someone from Jefferies, please, now? Well, thank you. These are our bankers, and now we have our legal counsels. We'll start with Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Can we have representatives from Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas? And then next, we have SNR Associates.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you all you do.
Can we have S&R Associates? Okay. And then can we have now Latham and Watkins? Okay. Then we have our statutory auditor, some representative from KPMG. Thank you. And next, can we have our industry consultant, Red Seal Consulting. Thank you. Next, we have a PR agency, AdFactors PR. Thank you so much. Then we have our registrar, K FinTech. Thank you. Our PCS firm, Mehta and Mehta. Thank you. And our printing partner, Orient Express. Okay. And last but not the least, may I now invite the core team members who've made this possible. So I'll be starting with Mr. Samir Maheshwari. Thank you, sir. Then we have Mr. Samir Kamath. Well, these are the people who've made this possible. Make sure the applauses, keep them going. You said one moment. Okay. Then we have Mr. Ritesh Khaitan. Then we have Shalini Saxena. Okay, I'm just going to announce the names. Then we have Indresh Gupta, Manish Bajpai, Prashant Jaju, Arpit Kurana, Neerav Mehta, Mayank Agrawal, Diksha Kapoor, and Isha Jaiswal. I'm requesting everyone again to come back on stage. We'll take a group photo of the entire leadership team after this. So if you have gone back, please come ahead. Sorry? The IPO team. Okay, the IPO team, can we have you all on stage? Well, this is the core team that you see here. So
एज एडवाइजर्स आप कॉल करना जेसी भल्ला बुला रहे हैं
नहीं. Let's give it up for them, everyone. I think you guys are the core team members. Can you all make some noise because it's the core team. I actually want to do one thing. I'll request the audience to please be silent like for 30 seconds. And I want the people on stage, the core team, the people behind this IPO to make some noise because now we want to see your energy because it's your day. Let's make some noise, the people on stage here. Show us your energy. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay, can we have a... Can we have a representative from JC Bhalla on stage, please? Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Amrish, as well. Thank you for joining us on stage. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. And now, may I call upon stage Mr. Sameer Kamath, Chief Financial Officer, Pine Labs, to deliver the vote of thanks. Let's welcome him with an applause, everyone.
Well, what a moment it was, right, guys? A big cheer? You know, standing here now, just after the bell rang, it's not hard to feel a deep sense of pride, a deep sense of gratitude. This moment belongs to many, many people, to the many years of belief, resilience, and the relentless effort to get things done. I take this opportunity to thank the partners at BSE and NSE, our regulators, our bankers, our advisors, and all our shareholders for trusting us to do what is difficult. We have always chosen resilience over convenience, meaningful innovation over imitation, and discipline of earning trust instead of assuming it. To Amrish, our leaders, our board, thank you for being our Sherpa on this impossible climb. You have created the space and conviction and at times the courage for all of us to take the shot. And when the climb felt a little steep, your belief carried us. To the Pine Labs team, all of us here and in the multiple offices across multiple locations that we are, I think the moment is yours. You've lived our values in action on a daily basis. As we say in our culture code, every day is game day. You moved fast, owned outcomes, and stood by each other. Today's milestone is a reflection of that commitment. And today the world has seen it. Now as we step into this new life as a listed company, we also carry a deep sense of expectations, great accountability, and a responsibility to own our tomorrow. Not just for Pine Labs, but for the entire ecosystem of merchants, brands, institutions, and consumers whose lives we touch, not just in India, but across the globe. As Amrish said, the IPO is not a finish line, it's the starting gun. And we begin this new journey with humility, gratitude, and an unshakable determination to keep building for the future. Our best chapters are still ahead of us. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you for believing in Pine Labs, and thank you for being a part of this very special day. Let's join the celebration, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir, so much. Well, as we conclude this unforgettable morning, let's take a moment and appreciate the efforts of each and everyone who has been a part of this remarkable journey, who's worked tirelessly to make this possible. In fact, who's worked behind the scenes to make everything possible. So let's give an applause to them. Thank you. And I would like to thank each and every one of you, our guests, our partners, our investors, well-wishers, and all the employees who've joined us online, and everybody who's been a part of this milestone journey. On behalf of Pine Labs, a huge congratulations to each and every one of you once again. For being a part of this wonderful and remarkable journey. Now I would request all the guests and the leadership team to please join us for refreshments, and the rest I will request you to please head on stage one by one for photographs as well. Thank you once again, each and every one of you. On behalf of Pine Labs, this is Priyanka Lalwani now signing off. I hope that you all are equally excited and looking forward to it ahead. Let's applaud this moment and celebrate this milestone and historic moment. Have a great day ahead, everyone. Thank you so much.